Hi and welcome back to today's Morning Report. Charles Fraser on Friday the 22nd of January with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. Let's look at Eurodollar now, and we've had some interesting moves on Eurodollar in the wake of this Draghi press conference. Again, he's trying to jawbone the euro lower. Initially it worked. You got a slight spike below that 108.10 mark, which has been in place for a while actually on the euro. 108, 107.77 we saw as the low yesterday, but it bounced intraday and it's bounced again intraday, and I'll show you on this hourly chart that it bounced pretty much bang on that 108.10 mark. 108.12 was the printed low that we've seen since with a rally coming since then. It's really interesting because there is a slight sort of bearish bias within the movement. Basically, that's basically because you've sort of broken this minor uptrend. You're sort of starting a sequence of lower highs. Slight sort of bear bias on the momentum indicators on the hourly chart, but nothing really significant that would suggest that the euro is going to go demonstrably lower. We're still in this range, and for now, I think you've just got to still play it as such. Either that, or you just got to play the euro as a very neutral chart because it's not really giving any decisive signals. Look how small these bodies are on these candles compared to the intraday move. So it shows that you get these intraday moves and then a retracement of it, and it seems to be that's what we're seeing again today. We've seen an intraday move back to 108.10 and an intraday bounce 50 ticks back higher again. So you're still not getting any decisive direction off the euro, I'm not really. I don't really take what Draghi said yesterday as anything new, and I don't think. Initially, as I said, the reaction was lower, but again, I don't think it's changed the game at all. It's fairly predictable that Draghi would talk about further easing measures and trying to sort of jawbone the euro lower. I don't think it's going to work. I think the market is. I said on Twitter yesterday that the market needs to have learnt the lesson from December, and maybe it has, and it's not going to be sort of falling into the same trap as what happened in November when it fell away, and then the ECB wasn't able to deliver on its easy measures, and there was a sharp euro rally. So it's interesting that we've seen this move again today. So the euro remains neutral, remains above that 108.10 mark, and it remains in this trading band. So you've got the lower highs in place. 109 figure is around about where you're starting to see the resistance coming in, and there is this minor pivot level around 109 figure. In the last few days, it has sort of acted as a basis of a sort of pivot loosely. 109.20 beyond that, and then 109.75, which is that high from Wednesday. So I wish you good luck in your trading on euro, and I'll speak to you later. Thanks.